I'm going to share with you my review of my little secret that now everybody has found out about. This is the DHC Deep Cleansing Oil. And I'm going to tell you, I've been using this product for 15 to 20 years. Yes, I have. And now it's available on Amazon, which I absolutely love. This is an oil that you put on, it's your first cleanse at night. You put it on dry skin and moisturize, rub it in as best you can. Then you get a little bit of water and you start putting the little bit of water on there and it'll kind of turn into a milky substance. And then you can splash it off, or I have found now in my older age, much better to use a washcloth. So to wipe it off and you get more of your makeup off, but it really takes the makeup off. It is beautiful. It leaves your skin feeling so hydrated and so moisturized. I absolutely love it, have loved it for years, and keep buying it and keep buying it and keep buying it. It is by DHC. It is the Deep Cleansing Oil. They have several different products. If you have a little drier skin, they have one that's called olive oil that I use a lot of times for the winter months when I'm a little drier. You're going to love it. Put it in your cart today. You'll be glad you did.